every word we read and write. They help us sing, they help us rhyme, they make our words sound bright. A-E-I-O-U, they're always by our side. Come along, let's learn their names and take a fun-filled ride. A is amazing, E is exciting, I is incredible, always inviting. O is outstanding, U is unique. Vowels make our words complete. Look at apple, there's A at the start. In elephant, E plays a part. Igloo is chilly, octopus waves. Umbrella keeps us dry on rainy days. A is amazing, E is exciting, I is incredible, always inviting. O is outstanding, U is unique. Vowels make our words complete. Without the vowels, words would be tough. Just try it out, it's kind of rough. Cat needs a to make it cat. See how vowels can change all that. A is amazing, E is exciting, I is incredible, always inviting. O is outstanding, U is unique. Vowels make our words complete. So next time you read or write or play, remember your vowels, they'll save the day. A-E-I-O-U, we love you, it's true. Vowels are our friends, and they'll help you too.